Good day, this is the Professopher, drwillphd, PhD. Today is Monday, January 23rd, 2023. It is 6:16 and 18 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, immune system. So let's jump to it here. Regulating immunological memory may help immune system fight disease. Findings may help development of potential vaccines or immunotherapies for cancer and various inflammatory diseases. Date January 20th, 2023. Source: University of Missouri, Columbia. The scientists have long sought to better understand the human body's immune responses that occur during various diseases, including cancer and inflammatory diseases. The scientists have now analyzed how immunological memory, the memory the body's immune system retains after infection or vaccination, that helps protect against reinfection, gets generated and maintained, as well as the role inflammation plays in shaping that immunological memory. Our immune system defends us from disease, but it is a very complicated system with many interactions occurring, and if things get dysregulated, it may actually play a role in causing disease. And so the research focuses on better understanding how these immune responses can be generated and controlled, specifically by looking at the critical role T cells play, as T cells help protect the body from infection and may play a role in attacking cancer. Using a mouse model, the researchers created various strains of pathogenic bacteria that increase levels of inflammation through the stimulator of interferon genes, or SNAG, proteins inside of T cells. While many scientists assume this increase in inflammation would result in a stronger immune response and therefore stronger immunological memory, the research team found the opposite. Immunological memory was reduced. As some scientists in the field believe STING activation may be targeted to improve cancer vaccines or immunotherapies, so getting a basic understanding of all the interacting mechanisms at play is critical to reduce the chances of unintended consequences or harmful side effects. We want to better understand how to regulate immunological memory, which has implications for potential vaccines or immunotherapies that trigger T cells in a way that hopefully boosts long-term memory, so our bodies are protected from disease over time. While the findings is fundamental in nature, findings have the potential to contribute to the development of more effective treatments to help patients suffering with cancer. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, STING-associated vasculopathy, with onset, infancy, SAVI, asthma, and other chronic inflammatory syndromes. The pursuit of knowledge is what drives curiosity as scientists, while there are still more questions to answer. This research is a small step in the right direction. And this is the Professopher, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day. Another Manic Monday.